Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let us discuss and learn how to multiply fractions. So this is just an easy topic. All you have to do is to follow the steps on how to multiply fractions. Okay, so let us discuss the steps in multiplying fraction. As your guide in solving a problem involving multiplying a fraction. So step 1, multiply the numerator. Step 2, multiply the denominator. Step 3, reduce the resultant fraction to its lowest terms. Okay, so let us apply these steps on this problem. 1 over 3 is multiplied to 3 over 5. Okay, so let us just follow the steps. So step 1, we will just multiply the numerator. So 1 times 3, that is 3. Then 3 times 5, that is 15. Then we can reduce this to lowest terms by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 3. Okay, by 3, divide by 3. Okay, so 3 divided by, that is 1. Then 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay, so our final answer is 1 over 5. Simple as that. Okay, so every time we encounter a problem involving multiplying fraction, we will just follow these steps. Just multiply the numerator, and then multiply the denominator, and then reduce the resultant fraction to its lowest terms. Okay, so let us apply these steps in solving this problem. So 1 times 2, that is 2. Then 2 times 5, that is 10. Then we can reduce this fraction to lowest term by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 2. It's divided by 2. Okay, so 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Then 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, so that is how to answer the problem involving multiplying fraction. To our viewers, you can pause this video for a while and then solve the problem. 1 over 3 is multiplied to 9 over 16. And then you compare it with my answer. Okay, so let us continue solving the problem. So let us write our answer below this problem. So 1 times 9 is 9. Then 3 times 16 is 48. Then to reduce this to lowest term, let us divide this by 3 on the numerator as well as this denominator divide by 3. Okay, so 9 divided by 3 is 3. Then 48 divided by 3 is 16. Okay, so I hope you have the same answer with my answer. Okay, so next. Okay, so let us rewrite this. This is 2 over 3. Multiply this by 5 over 1. Why over 1? Because this 5 as a denominator of 1. Then proceed to the multiplication. So 2 times 5, that is 10. Then 3 times 1 is 3. Okay? So I hope we have the same answer. So thank you for watching this video.